Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 13. All right, so this says the first term in a sequence is 8. Consecutive terms in the sequence have a common difference. All right, the fact that they have a common difference means this is an arithmetic sequence, means you add to get to the next term. The fourth term in the sequence is 17. So we have the fourth term, we have the first term, and we know that it's a arithmetic sequence. So it says select the function f of n that represents this sequence for all n greater than or equal to 1. All right, so if we look down through here, it says that each one of them has the first term of 8. And then the functions look different from there. So let's see if we can make a table of values and kind of give us some insight on what we have. So we have the first term and the fourth term. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And our first term we know is 8. We don't know our second term. We don't know our third term. But we do know the fourth term is 17. And we know we have a common difference. That means we add to get from this term to this term. We add to get from this term to this term. I don't know why I put a 1 there. And we add to get from this term to this term. All right, so now, what is the difference between 17 and 8? All right, that is 9. So 17 minus 8 equals 9. Well, we've got a common difference. We need the same number here added 3 times. So if we divide 9 by 3, that gives us 3. So we can determine that our common difference is 3 just by looking at the pattern, and then we can check it to see if that works with the numbers here. So 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 gives me 14. And 14 plus 3 gives me 17. So we can determine that our common difference is 3. All right, so look down through here. This one says we subtract 3, so that one's not it. This one says we add 3. This one says we add, or we multiply by 2 and 1/4. And this one says we multiply by 2 and 1/8. So we're not multiplying for sure. We're going to be adding because it's arithmetic. You multiply when it's geometric. But then we also know that we're not going to subtract 3 either. So just by looking at the terms we're given, you can determine the common difference. And you can see that B is the only one that could be the correct answer. So it gives you a first term of 8. And it says, what is f of n plus 1? So what's the next term? So you're going to take whatever term, add 3, and that gives you the next term. So your common difference is 3. So number 13 is B.